Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Copilot on your mobile. In this video, I'll show you what exactly new in Copilot and how you can explore some of the current new feature in Copilot. Let's find out. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Copilot. And when you open up your Copilot, you have to check out what is new right here. However, if you cannot find it this way, it means that you are using old version of Copilot. You will need to update to a latest version. For you to update to a latest version, just exit from the app right here. If you are using Android phone, go ahead and open up your Play Store. If you are using iPhone, go to your App Store. So in this tutorial, I'm using Android phone. I'm going to click on search right here. Come to the search apps and type in Copilot right here. Hit on search. Then you are here. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you go ahead and click on update right here. Once you update, you can go ahead and click on open. Then take you to the interface right there. Then you have access to new mode, group chat, data memory, and face to talk on. So click on here to find out about all the new features in Copilot. Here we go. Explore new ways we can jam, play, and get more done together. So here you can create a group conversation right here. Start a group conversation, tackle projects, plan trips, or just chat as a group. We help search and whatever you need. Then here, scroll down right here and navigate to manage what I remember. Tell me to remember or forget things about you and manage memory space right there. Click on try now and explore. So these are currently features right here. So let's see how we can easily create a group chat with Copilot. So go ahead and click on try now right here. So you click on try now. How do I start a group chat? So if you are new to this, go ahead and click on send. Then Copilot is going to give you step-by-step tutorial on how you can start a new group chat. How to start a group chat? Open any existing conversation, then click on chat with me, invite. So here we go. Start a group chat in Copilot is super easy. Here is how we can do it. Start a group chat. Open any existing conversation with me. Tap invite, then you will find this option near the top of the chat. Share the link with up to 30 other people or 32 participants to 32 to total, including you. Once they join, you can call chat with together. You can call chat with me together. I will respond to everyone in the group. So basically, these are just steps you need to use to create a group chat. So for that, so these are basic first steps you need to follow to create a group chat with Copilot. So go ahead and click on here. Then you are here. So you can go ahead and click on copy link right here. So you can copy link and send it to people. Then anyone with the link can chat with you in Copilot. You can also share the chat link with WhatsApp, send invite in Instagram, send invite on message, send invite in super chat. Or better still click on here to copy a group chat. Then you can chat with anybody in Copilot. It's that simple. Let's go ahead and explore another new feature in Copilot. So go ahead and click on here. Then go ahead and click on new mode right here. This allows you to see some of other. So these are another features right here. Make your search smarter. Get clear cited answer alongside search result in one seamless. So go ahead and click on try now. This is another incredible features in Copilot. So here we go. Help me find. So if you are new to it, you can go ahead and click on send. Then it will give you a basic result on it will give you a basic step on how you can actually use these particular options right here. Go ahead and click on here now and say how to open a Facebook marketplace setup. Okay, hit on send. Then you'll be given a precise result based on the request right here. Log into Facebook account, then access marketplace, create a listing, add detail, publishing listing, require tips. You must be 18 or older to use marketplace. So scroll down and read all the results right here. However, a recommended YouTube video is also provided for you to get more insight. You can go ahead and click on show all right here. This will enable you to explore more step-by-step in-depth results based on your research. These are references right here. It's that simple. So these are new features in Copilot that you can explore right now. For more tutorial about how best to use your Copilot on mobile, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.